Hello and welcome back to Speak English Naturally. Today's lesson can help you in real life. Imagine this. You feel sick. You go to the doctor. The doctor asks questions, but suddenly you forgot your English. You know words, but you do not know what to say. If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. Today, we will practice useful English for visiting the doctor. Simple phrases, natural conversations, real situations, and I will ask you questions so you can speak too. Ready? Let us begin. First, when you arrive, the receptionist may say, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can answer, "I have an appointment." Repeat, "I have an appointment." Again, "I have an appointment." Another common sentence, "I would like to see a doctor." Repeat, "I would like to see a doctor." Very useful. Now imagine, you arrive at the clinic. What would you say? Pause and answer. Good. Now the receptionist may ask, "What is your name?" You answer, "My name is..." Then they may ask, "What seems to be the problem?" This means, "Why are you here?" Here are useful answers. "I do not feel well." Repeat, "I do not feel well." Another one, "I feel sick." Repeat, "I feel sick." Another, "I have not been feeling well." Repeat, "I have not been feeling well." Notice, that sounds more natural. Now let us enter the doctor's office. The doctor says, "Hello, what brings you in today?" This means, "Why are you visiting?" You can answer, "I have a headache." Repeat, "I have a headache." Another, "I have a sore throat." Repeat, "I have a sore throat." Another, "I have a fever." Repeat, "I have a fever." Another, "I have a cough." Repeat, "I have a cough." Question, which one have you said before? Now let us continue. The doctor may ask, "How long have you had it?" This means, "When did it start?" You can answer, "Since yesterday." Repeat, "Since yesterday." Another, "For 3 days." Repeat, "For 3 days." Small reminder, use since for a starting point. Since Monday. Since yesterday. Use for time. For 2 days. For 1 week. Now repeat. I have had it for 3 days. Excellent. Next question. Can you describe the pain? Useful answers. It hurts here. Repeat. It hurts here. Another. It is painful. Repeat. It is painful. Another. It feels uncomfortable. Repeat. It feels uncomfortable. Another. It comes and goes. Meaning, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Repeat. It comes and goes. Now, let us practice. Doctor, where does it hurt? You, it hurts here. Again, where does it hurt? Pause and answer. Very good. Another common doctor question. Do you have any allergies? Repeat. Allergies. You can answer, "No, I do not." Or, "Yes, I am allergic to." Repeat, "I am allergic to." Now, another useful question. Are you taking any medication? Medication means medicine. Answer, "No." Or, "Yes, I take." Repeat, "I take medicine." Now let us move to common symptoms. Listen and repeat. I feel tired. I feel dizzy. I feel weak. I feel cold. I feel hot. I feel stressed. I feel nauseous. Try saying your favorite. Excellent. Now let us practice a full conversation. Doctor, hello. What seems to be the problem? Patient, I have not been feeling well. Doctor, what symptoms do you have? Patient, I have a headache and a cough. Doctor, how long have you had them? Patient, for 3 days. Doctor, do you have a fever? Patient, yes, a little. Doctor, okay, let us check. Good. Now another conversation. Doctor, what brings you in today? Patient, my throat hurts. Doctor, when did it start? Patient, since yesterday. Doctor, anything else? Patient, I feel tired. Doctor, drink water and get some rest. Very natural. Now let's learn useful questions you can ask. Question 1. Should I take medicine? Repeat. Should I take medicine? Question 2. How often should I take it? Repeat. How often should I take it? Question 3. Are there any side effects? Repeat. Question 4. When will I feel better? Repeat. Question 4. Do I need another appointment? Excellent. These questions help you feel more confident. Now let us practice listening. I will ask. You answer. Ready? Question. What brings you in today? Pause and answer. Question. How long have you had it? Pause and answer. Question. Do you have any allergies? Pause and answer. Great work. Now let us learn some useful advice phrases. Get some rest. Drink plenty of water. Take this medicine. Stay home. Call us if it gets worse. Repeat. Call us if it gets worse. Very useful. Now imagine you will visit a doctor in English tomorrow. Would you feel more confident? I hope so. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Short sentences are okay. Clear communication is more important. Before we finish, today's challenge. Answer this question in the comments. What would you say if the doctor asked, "What brings you in today?" Try using one sentence from this episode and tell me which phrase was new for you. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak English Naturally. New English lessons every week. Keep listening, keep speaking, and little by little, your English becomes natural. See you in the next episode.